Hi, so in this lecture we will discuss this problem k reverse. So let's understand the problem statement. It says we are given a linked list and we want to reverse every k nodes. Okay, that means we need to reverse in groups of size k. For example, for this linked list the k is given as 3. So you will reverse the first 3 nodes, that will give you 3 to 1. Then you will reverse the next 3 nodes, that is 6 5 4. And let's say the remaining group is of size less than k. In that case we will reverse those nodes as well. Okay, so this is how this is what the question says. Now let us think little bit how we can actually solve this problem. So now if you look carefully, this problem can be broken into two problems. One is reverse a smaller linked list and another is connect two smaller linked lists. Okay, for example, what you can say is you pick up this linked list, you iterate on the first k nodes. Okay, you reverse them up, and after reversing we know what we get something like this: 1 2 and 3, and this is the head of the linked list. The original head is at 1, and after reversing also, let's say we are talking about the same head. Now from here what you can do, you can say head arrow next. Okay, the next of this should be actually like this. Let me draw again. So after reversing it would look something like this: 3 2 1. Okay, so this is the head of the linked list, and what you can say, I have reversed the first k nodes of the linked list. Okay, using the reverse function that we have already discussed. From here you can say I am going to make a recursive call on the remaining part. Okay, and the remaining part gets solved, and after it is solved you can say head arrow next will point to whatever you get from the remaining part. So if you do it recursively, what you get from the remaining part is you will get 6 5 4. Okay, so this part will get reversed in one call and the remaining part will get reversed in another call. So from here you will get 8 7. Okay, so for this call the head was 4. Okay, because you made a recursive call from this node, so this was the head, so this would be the head. And what you're doing, you're going to connect this head with the output you get from the recursive call, so it will point to 8 comma 7. And similarly for this part, what was the head? uh, you had reversed this part, so you had 3 to 1 here, so head was this thing. So you made a call on the next node. Okay, so the next node after 3, so you got some output, and whatever is the head of this linked list, this head will point to that node. Okay, so it will connect it like this: so 3 to 1 6 5 4 8 7. So the idea is very simple: reverse the k nodes. Okay, make a recursive call on the remaining linked list, and in every recursive call reverse the first k nodes and make a recursive call on the remaining part of the linked list. Okay, in the worst case it may happen that you end up getting less than k nodes. That is fine, that can be easily handled. After you get some output from the recursive call, okay, whatever head is returned, you currently have one as the head. Okay, so after the work in the current recursive call, it would look something like this: 3 2 1, and this is the head, and this should point to the output of the recursive call. So this is how we are going to do this work. So I hope it is clear, and once we write the code it will become more clear.